Being a businessman or retailer, do you think that consumer buying is random? What if there were a distinctive set of steps that most consumers went through before deciding whether to make a purchase or not? What if there was a scientific method for determining what goes into the buying process?
The good news is that consumer buying is not random. It has specific scientific method or steps, and so there is no requirement for any trial or error method. In fact, there are 6 stages of consumer buying process, and as a marketer, you can market them effectively. Hello everyone, my name is Subhajit Ganguly and I am a marketer by profession and an educator and motivator by interest. So, if you want to know all the 6 stages of consumer buying process, then watch the video till the end.
You are watching the YouTube channel EduPro Train. Kindly subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon, like and share the video and comment below.
To understand all the stages of consumer buying process, it is very important that we should understand the consumer buying behavior first. To understand the consumer buying behavior, we should know who is the consumer and who is the customer. A consumer is a person who purchases a product for his or her own use, whereas a customer is a person who purchases a product either for his or her own use or does not use the product at all. So, a consumer is a customer, but a customer may not be a consumer. So, as we are now clear about consumer and customer, we should go ahead with consumer buying behavior.
Consumer buying behavior refers to the actions taken by consumers before buying a product or service. This process may include consulting search engines, engaging with social media posts, or a variety of other actions. It is valuable for businesses to understand this process because it helps businesses better tailor their marketing initiatives. We have all experienced the moment when we walk into a store and see something that we just want to have. Retailers spend huge money every year trying to generate that feeling in their customers. Web campaigns, video and print ads, social media campaigns, and brandings seem to converge as the consumer finally feels a connection to a product and makes a purchase. Major factors that influence consumer buying behavior are cultural factors, social factors, personal factors, and psychological factors. Cultural factors. Culture is not always defined by a person's nationality. It can also be defined by their associations, their religious beliefs, or even their location. Social factors are elements in a person's environment that impact the way they see products. Personal factors. These may include someone's age, marital status, budget, personal beliefs, values, and morals. Psychological factors are a person's state of mind when they are approached with a product will often determine how they feel not only about the item itself but the brand as a whole.
It is very important to identify 4 different types of buyers. It is very difficult to distinguish as complex as consumer buying behavior into neat and tidy categories. Many people will find that they are a combination of all these types of consumer buying behavior.
Number 1. The analytical buyer. Motivated by logic and information, this buyer will look at all the data on competing brands and products before making an informed decision. Number 2. The amiable buyer. Warm and friendly, this buyer just wants everyone to be happy. That is why they are often paralyzed by big decisions as they always in the dilemma of whether they are winning or losing by doing a particular purchase. Number 3. The driver buyer. Drivers are most concerned with how others view them and whether they follow. The trendsetters. Drivers are most concerned with their appearance rather than the relationships that are formed during a transaction. Number 4. The expressive buyer. Relationships are key to the expressive buyer. They cannot stand feeling isolated or ignored during a transaction. Instead, they want to feel like that they are your most important asset.
Since we are now aware of consumer buying behavior. Let us proceed to the 6 stages of consumer buying process, by learning which you can implement them in your marketing strategies to achieve success.
Number 1. Problem recognition. Before a purchase can ever take place, the customer must have a reason to believe what they want, where they want to be, how they perceive themselves in a situation which is different from where they actually are. If the desire is different from the reality, then this presents a problem for the customer. However, for the marketer, this creates an opportunity. By taking the time to identify a problem for the customer, whether they recognize that it exists already or not, you are starting the buying process. To do this, start with content marketing. Share facts and testimonials of what your product or service can provide. Ask questions to pull the potential customer into the buying process. Doing this helps a potential customer realize that they have a need that should be solved. Number 2. Information search. Once a problem is recognized, the customer search process begins. They know there is an issue and they are looking for a solution. For example, if it's a new refrigerator with all the newest technology thrown in, they start looking at refrigerators. It's fairly straightforward. As a marketer, the best way to market to this need is to establish your brand as an industry leader or expert in a specific field. Methods to consider include becoming a Google trusted store, or by advertising partnerships and sponsors prominently on all web materials and collaterals. Becoming a Google trusted store allows you to increase search rankings and to provide a sense of customer security by displaying your status on your website. Increasing your credibility in the information search process keeps you in front of the customer and ahead of the competition. Number 3. Evaluation of alternatives. Just because you stand out among the competition doesn't mean a customer will absolutely purchase your product or service. In fact, now more than ever, customers want to be sure they have done through research prior to make a purchase. Because of this, even though they may be sure of what they want, they will still want to compare other options to ensure their decision is the right one. Marketing to this couldn't be easier. Keep them on your website for the evaluation of alternative stage by highlighting the product features and reviews to the extent that the customers understands that your product is best fit and delivers the best value in that price range. This not only simplifies the process, it establishes a trusting customer relationship, especially during the evaluation of alternative stage. Number 4. Purchase decision. Somewhat surprisingly, the purchase decision falls near the middle of the 6 stages of the consumer buying process. At this point, the customer has explored multiple options, they understand pricing and payment options, and they are deciding whether to move forward with the purchase or not. At this point, they could still decide to walk away. This means it's time to step up the game in the marketing process by providing a sense of security to the customers and telling them why they wanted to make the purchase in the first time. At this stage, giving as much information relating to the need that was created in step 1 along with why your brand is the best provider to fulfill this need is essential. If a customer walks away from the purchase, this is the time to bring them back. Retargeting or simple email reminders that speak to the need for the product in question can enforce the purchase decision even if the opportunity seems lost. Step 4 is by far the most important one in the consumer buying process. This is where profits are either made or lost. Number 5. Purchase. A need has been created, research has been completed, and the customer has decided to make a purchase. All the stages that lead to a conversion have have been finished. However, this doesn't mean it's a sure thing. A consumer could still be lost. Marketing is just as important during this stage as during the previous. Marketing to this stage is straightforward. Keep it simple. Test your brand's purchase process online. Is it complicated? Are there too many steps? Is the load time too slow? Can a purchase be completed just as simply on a mobile device as on a desktop computer? Ask these critical questions and make adjustments. If the purchase process is too difficult, customers and therefore revenue can be easily lost.
Number 6. Post-purchase evaluation. Just because a purchase has been made, the process has not ended. In fact, revenues and customer loyalty can be easily lost. After a purchase is made, it's inevitable that the customer must decide whether they are satisfied with the decision that was made or not. If a customer feels as though an incorrect decision was made, a return could take place. This can be mitigated by identifying the source of dissonance and offering an exchange that is simple and straightforward. However, even if the customer is satisfied with his or her decision to make the purchase, whether a future purchase is made from your brand is still in question. Because of this, sending follow-up surveys and emails that thank the customer for making a purchase are critical. Take the time to understand all the 6 stages of consumer buying process. Doing this ensures that your marketing strategy addresses each stage of consumer buying process, which lead to high conversion and long-term customer loyalty. Thanks for watching this video.